Hey everyone, Jordan here from ThatCarLife, and we're in the garage. We've got Haas or Dadas S15 here in the garage as well. We're doing something pretty special. We're putting Underglow Neon in the S15, or I guess on the S15. This is something that Haas got me for my birthday. Was it last year or year before?
2 years ago.
2 years ago, and I haven't even put it in yet. And it's this box right here, Type S Formula Drift kit.
So I thought to get best of the best for you.
Top friend, top bloke right here, absolute legend. Finally gonna be putting it in because obviously I was in the carport all this time, so it was quite difficult. But now we've got the hoist here, so this will make installing the neon, I guess,
Much easier.
a lot easier. And this is your first time seeing the hoist, bro. What do you reckon?
Man, this looks so good.
It hasn't even sunken in for me either. Like, I've never had a garage in my entire life, and now, let alone having a garage, I've got a hoist. So it still hasn't sunken in, and I'm just so grateful. Put it up to the top, have a look underneath. We'll see, I guess, how we're gonna install this.
That's violent.
Yeah, I know. It's very loud, but I think because it's like enclosed, it's extra loud. All right, so I'm out of my hoodie. I'm currently repping the Banky spec, as you can see. Shout out to Rex H. This is the R32 hoodie. Hoodie? Shirt. R32 shirt. Yeah. It's proper. But guys, look who it is. Look who's just rocked up. He spawned from underneath the car. Memz, what do you reckon of the hoist, man?
The hoist is pretty good. Looks pretty nice. The only thing I don't like is you can't take off the wheels.
That's the only downside.
It's the only downside.
100%.
No, but it looks really nice.
So has it got the same kit on your S15, or you've taken it off now?
No, it's still on. I just cut the wires because I need to run to the back because the battery's in the boot now.
But yeah, he's installed it before, so he'll take us through and we'll have a look and see how to do this.
What I started with, so I put the front underglow where the front mount is, because if you put it under here, it's going to get hit and then come off and whatnot.
Smart.
Best bet is to put on where the front mount is. In prep work, clean all this off as much as you can. They'll give you some products to clean it, but on top of it, just get some metho or some spray cleaner, whatever it is. Wipe that down as well. For the side ones, I ran them here, so it's not going to get damaged or anything like that as well.
That's right.
So if
it's
you
not going to scrape or anything.
Yeah, that's right. So, and if you put it here, I thought, like in my opinion, I think that's too much light outside.
Yeah.
It's not really, like it will glow too much outside of the car. It's not going to be really under the car.
Yeah, and I guess that's the point. It's
That's underglow, exactly, yeah. I put it here on mine all the way through, down to there and back to here. Same with the other side. And the rear, it's a bit funny with our ones. What I've ran mine, the best way it was working was through here like that.
Oh yeah.
It's a bit too far in.
Yeah.
But it still
works.
looks, it works, it looks good. But this kit is really bright, so it works really good.
I'm actually so excited. And look at this torch, guys. We're telling scary stories on this video. Once there was an S15 with an oil leak. Its name was 15 Oofed.
I'm so bad at like electric stuff.
Yeah.
No, this will be pretty easy, but the only thing we might need to do for yours, do you have an amp in the back?
Yeah, I do.
You have an amp in the back, so we can feed the neon wire. There's a plug here, so we just take this plug off, feed the rear wires to the amp, and that can turn on when you turn on the car. Then we can turn the other one straight into the battery.
Man.
But the only thing is, it's going to drain your battery a bit.
This thing's on charge all the time anyway.
What's the reason we're doing this? Is it to get ready for an event, or is it?
I've just always wanted underglow, right? It's just been sitting for so long. This box.
Are you going to show them in this video?
Oh yeah, 100%. We're gonna
turn
take
it
for a
on.
drive. We're gonna
get
have
some night
fun.
photos. Yeah,
It's gonna be sick.
yeah. Let's unbox this thing.
Let's get out from under the car.
It's a bit filthy, but ooh,
yeah.
Quick installation guide.
Wow, bro, that's hectic.
So this is all easy, just plug and play. Nothing to do with wiring or anything like that. Just plug in and play. Compared to your eBay ones that you get,
Yeah, this is
these
like professional.
are much thicker, and it's like double LED.
feels nice.
This is why it's so bright. There'll be some application products in there.
Oh wow, bro, there's so many.
Yeah, so there's front. These are the sides by the looks of it, front, and then you can also pull a third brake light, but we can't do that. We can, but
Yeah,
you got to
don't
drill
recommend.
through the glass, your rear
Not
glass.
worth it.
Yeah, that I didn't do, but I did everything else, side, front, and rear.
Formula Drift, they all use that, right? That
Yeah.
third brake light at the rear window.
Yeah, that's
That's
right.
a big Formula Drift thing.
Guys, this is my channel now. I'll show you guys the S15. I'll show you the blast pipes over here. Look at these exhausts. Proper. I mean, you can't go wrong with the Ashios, tail lights and everything. I love what Jordan's done here. The car just sits here on the hoist and everything. Everything's all organized. It looks really good. I can't wait for these lights as well. These lights are gonna look mad underneath the car. We're gonna go take some photos after as well. Maybe grab a feed or something. Jordan, what do you think? Are you excited?
I'm very excited. I've always wanted Underglow Neon ever since I played Need for Speed Underground 2.
For speed underground, can't go wrong.
Yeah. Hey guys, today we're gonna install neon on the texture neon. Alright guys, so we got everything laid out here on the front. So what have we got here, man?
We're just separating it. So this is the front, and then you got sides, rear. That's about it, eh? Then they've already given us some stuff like
Look at Memz, bro.
They've given us some alcohol wipes and whatnot, and primer for the application. It's actually pretty good. It works pretty good. Mine have stayed on for a while. They've also given us these rubber straps to wrap around them. We're gonna run everything to the amp, so whenever you turn on the car and the amps turn on, then you can turn on your LEDs. We're gonna start off with cleaning. We'll start from the front and work our way back.
We'll running the wires to mock up, where we're gonna run the wires and stuff. Anyway, I could see oil, fresh oil dripping down here. It almost dripped onto Memz's head. I'm like, Memz, move, there's oil. Anyway, we look up and I'm pretty sure we found it. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's like a little metal pipe up there. I don't know if you can see, but there's oil dripping out of that. And I can't tell if it's fresh oil or if it's like power steering fluid or something, but it's dripping onto this. So look at that, that's fresh. It's orange. What does it taste like? Unbeatable texture. I don't know if you can see. What is that connected to? There, that, I'm pretty sure that where my finger's pointing at there, I think that's where that leak is coming from and it's dripping down onto here. So we just got to figure out where that's going to. I have a feeling it might be power steering fluid. But yeah, bro, it's dripping out of there. I don't know, it's either oil or power steering fluid, I don't know, but that metal part has a crack and I think that's where the oil leak's coming from. So yeah, I guess that's a good thing that we found it. Anyway, I've got to clean it and degrease it. I think that may be the rear leak. Yeah, we actually found it somehow.
Okay, cleaning time.
Time to clean. Memz, your head is touching the oil leak, bro. You gotta be careful. That's cooked there. Yeah, I like that, bro. That's a good spot.
In line with your front mount.
Yeah.
Nice and straight. Then we
Beautiful.
stick on, and then yeah, we just start zip tying and fixing up your wires.
Yeah. It's been a bit of time and we've got everything pretty much wired up, so we'll run you guys through, I guess, the process, what we've done so far. So
we've ran the front strip, stuck onto the front mount, ran that up and over, just trying to hide the wires and make them nice and neat as possible. Ran them all back, now following these lines here. Also ran the sides here as well, same with the other side. We've made the wires run all in the same line. It's all coming here. And this part, we're just gonna figure out where we're gonna hide this box because you won't reach into the boot. These ones are going into the boot, that's gonna connect to your amp. And then from there, it's just turn it on.
So excited. So now we drop the car down.
Drop the car down and see how it fits, like if it reaches to your amp, and then we can test it.
All right, let's do it. Let's drop the car down. Let's suss her out. Everything is wired up, as you can see, tucked in, beautiful, and everything's connected. So now it's time to connect to my app. So the Type S Neon kit connects to your phone, as you can see right here, and you can connect it to music, you can make it brighter, you can do strobe, all this cool stuff. So I'm gonna press the button and turn it on. It's the moment of truth. Oof, bro. It's like nice and bright. What if I do strobe? Oh, what's cycle?
It plays these different colors.
Oh, no way. So I can confirm that and it's like, wow. Or you can do speed. Dude, this is so cool. Wow, man. That's so cool.
There's a lot of options on this. You gotta
wow. Oh, dude, look at that.
Yeah, it's hectic, eh?
Bro, this is actually hectic.
What do you think, Jordan?
I'm actually in love. This is hectic. We'll get the car on the ground and we'll see how the glow looks on the ground. But this is so cool. I love this. But yeah, big shout out to Hass and Memz, especially Hass, for wiring this up and everything. I would have no idea how to do this myself, so please.
It's pretty simple, just plug and play.
I'm just absolutely clueless when it comes to this stuff. Yeah, Hass's Instagram, TikTok, everything will be here and in the description. In the description. Same with Memz, all this stuff will be here too. Gotta show the boys some love. Anyways, let's get the car down.
I wonder if you know
how they live in Tokyo. This is so cool. Oofed, bro. Suss out how this looks on the ground. This is the rainbow feature. That's absolutely sick. That actually looks proper. I'll go green. I like the green. The green looks sick. Pink.
Do white. Can you do white?
Reds. Yeah, we can do white. Oh, actually white looks pretty proper, eh? Yeah. This is absolutely proper. So what we'll do now, we'll take it out into the darkness and we'll see it, I guess, outside in the dark. Well, actually, why don't I just turn the lights off? That'll probably be a good idea.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. That is such a vibe. Yeah. Paul Walker vibes. Now this is sick. This is actually so cool. But next clip you see, we'll bring the car outside and we'll see how it looks out in the open. So excited. So we just took the S15 out for a drive. You saw those rollers, it's absolutely hectic. And yeah, big shout out to Hass, he's the king of the rollers. But yeah, we got the S15 here with the neon on while we're having a feed. We stopped at the Burgers and yeah, we're having a fat burger feed. It's just a massive vibe. We've got the S15 dinner table right here. Look at this, 326 wing. You can use it for a proper dinner table. The neon on right here and all the food. And look how fat these burgers are, guys. Look at this.
Oh, bro.
proper. Look at this, guys.
Wait, and look at how salty the chips are.
The chips, this looks...
Look at that.
First bite. How good is it, bro?
Hasn't eaten since 10 a.m.
Yeah, we're gonna demolish this feed, guys. The Neon looks absolutely hectic. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of the Neon on the S15. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know what you think. I think we've got to bring Neons back in 2024. I'm gonna leave the video there. If you want to support the channel, make sure you like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. It does us a massive solid. And you can also support the channel by copping some ThatCarLife apparel. We're wearing some right now. We got that S15 hoodie. Hass is wearing his hoodie as well back there. I'm wearing one as well. So yeah, if you guys want to support, we'll pop it down below, the link there. All that support means the world as well. I'll leave the video there. I really hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you guys next time on ThatCarLife.